Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add your EZVIZ CTQ2C camera to the app on Android. And to do this, I would first recommend to check the backside of the camera and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. It should restore the settings and make the connecting to the app much easier. And next is to open the app, create or sign into your account, click on this plus button, add the device, then cameras. Here we'll be able to scan our camera with QR code, and it's located on the back right here. So scan it, then this device should show up and we can make sure that it's powered on and flashes like that. Go to the next step, click on start. Here my indicator flashes in blue. If your is flashing in red, you might need to reset the camera, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Now let's move to the next step. Here we need to select the router Wi-Fi and enter the password. So currently I'm connected to the Wi-Fi with 2.4 band, and I would recommend using this kind of network for this camera. So let me do that. Now it should search for a device, click on connect. Here we can name our device. So if you have multiple cameras, I would change
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
Yes, and so
Wi-Fi connected.
yes. So make sure that you adjust the names so you know
Platform registration successful.
which camera is which, and next is to pick a specific room name. So for example, let's use office and move to the next step.
Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
And from here we can see the camera in the screen. We can save the device QR code, enable or disable audio, change the name, change the time, which will be visible right here on your camera, daylight saving time, and adjust the date format. And here you can accept for a free trial, currently at least. And yeah, so that's basically it. Click on the next, and we can create new password. And the password is located on the backside of the camera, as it mentions right here. So let's create a new password, and I'll be using a very simple one. It needs to have at least 8 characters. Okay, then we can't do that simple password. Let's go with hard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be enough, and now we can click on have modified, click on OK. Now the setup should be complete, and you'll be able to check the camera right here on the main page of your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.